Namaste, I am Manju Gartola. Students, you are welcomed in our grammar class. Today I am here taking the rules of question tag. Before learning the rules of question tag, we need to know what is the definition of question tag. Question tag is a very short question attached with a statement in order to assure it that is made of with a helping verb and pronoun of the subject. It has two parts, statement and question tag. Look at the example. Hari runs very fast, doesn't he? Hari runs very fast is a statement. Doesn't he is a question tag. I am not a teacher. It is a statement. And am I is a question tag. Students, before making question tag, we need to know some basic rules of question tag. They are: there should be comma at the end of the statement. There should be question mark at the end of question tag. Question tag should begin with a small letter. The subject of question tag is always a pronoun, never a noun. Contract form of not is an apostrophe T. Should be used in question tag. Example of negative: aren't, doesn't, won't, wasn't, mustn't, etc. Look at the example. Cow gives us milk. Doesn't it? Cow gives us milk is a statement, so there is a comma at the end of it. Doesn't it is a question tag, so it begins with a small letter. It is a pronoun of cow. At the end of question tag there is question mark. Anjali has killed a spider. Hasn't she? She is pronoun of Anjali. Hasn't is contract form of has not. There is comma at the end of statement. Similarly, next example, they went to Dharan, didn't they? They went to Dharan is a statement, so there is a comma. Question tag begins with a small letter. Didn't is contract form of did not. Here is a question mark because it is a question tag. Let's learn more other rule of question tag. If the statement is in positive, the question tag will be in negative. Look at the example. Sita is a nurse, isn't she? Sita is a nurse is a positive statement, so we have to use isn't she negative in question tag. We play football, don't we? We play football is also a positive statement, so we have to use negative form in question tag. I have written a letter, haven't I? I have written a letter is also positive statement, so we have to use negative form in question tag. Look at the next example. If the statement is in negative, the question tag will be in positive. Look at the example. I am not a teacher, am I? Here is use not. Not is negative word, so this statement is negative. When the statement comes in negative, we have to use positive question tag. They won't be there, will they? Won't is negative auxiliary, so we have to use positive auxiliary in question tag. You didn't have food, did you? You didn't have food is also a negative statement, so we have to use positive form in question tag. Students, before making question tag, we need to know pronoun of some of the subject. Here are given pronoun of some subjects. Ram, Biru, Hari, pronoun he. So the pronoun of Hari is he. He is the pronoun of Biru. Similarly, he is the pronoun of Ram. We have to know he is the pronoun of singular male noun. Sita or Rita or Rani, etc. Its pronoun is she. She is a pronoun of Rani. She is pronoun of Sita. So we have to know she is the pronoun of singular female noun. Cow or tiger or pen or Nepal, etc. Its pronoun is it. It is the pronoun of singular noun except the human being. Plural noun, dogs or cows or books, etc. Books, their pronoun is they. Cows, their pronoun is they. So we need to know they is pronoun of plural noun. I and you, he and I, or she and I. In this case, we use we pronoun. He and you or she and you, we use you pronoun in this case. After learning pronoun of some subject, now we are going to learn auxiliary. There are 24 auxiliary verbs in English. They are is, am, are, was, were, have, had, has, do, did, does, can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, used to, need to, ought to, and dare to. Auxiliary verb plays vital role in making question tag. If there is positive helping verb in statement, it turns into negative form in question tag. Look at the example. Statement question tag. When is comes in statement, we have to use isn't in question tag. When may comes in statement, we have to use may not in question tag. Similarly, am, aren't, might, mightn't, are, aren't, must, mustn't, was, wasn't, ought to, oughtn't to, were not, have, haven't, had, hadn't, has, hasn't, do, don't, did, didn't, does, doesn't, shall, shan't, should, shouldn't, will, won't, would, wouldn't, can, can't, could, couldn't, etc. In absence of an auxiliary verb, main verb will be used alone. Number 1. Subject plus verb 1. When this structure comes in statement, we have to use don't in question tag. Verb 1 means base form of the verb like go, eat, play, dance, sing, etc. Look at the second number, subject plus verb 2. When this structure comes in statement, we have to use didn't in question tag. Verb 2 means past form of the verb like went, wrote, read, played, laughed, sang, etc. Look at the third, subject plus verb 5. Verb 5 means having s or es in base verb like goes, reads, rides, plays, etc. When this structure comes in statement, we have to use doesn't in question tag. Look at the example. Ram and Sita play Ludo. Don't they? Look at this statement. Play. Play is the first form of the verb. So, we have to use don't in question tag. They is the pronoun of Ram and Sita. Dogs found each other, didn't they? They is the pronoun of dogs. Found. Found is the second form of the verb. So we have to use didn't in question tag. My mother cooks food daily, doesn't she? Cooks. Cooks is verb 5. So we have to use doesn't in question tag. She is pronoun of my mother. Similarly, next example, Hari goes to school, doesn't he? Goes. Goes is also verb 5. So we have to use doesn't in question tag. He is pronoun of Hari. Look at the next rule of question tag. If this helping verb am is in the statement, we have to change it into aren't in question tag. Look at the example. I am running now, aren't I? When I am comes in the statement, we have to use aren't I in question tag. Similarly, I am a doctor, aren't I? I am a student, aren't I? Students, look at the another case of am. Where am plus not take place in this statement, am remains the same in the question tag. It can't be changed into are. Look at the example. I am not a pilot, am I? I am not. Am plus not takes place in this statement, so am is repeated in question tag. I am not playing now. In this case, we have to use am I in question tag. I am not poor in English subject. Am I? Similarly, when I am not comes in statement, we have to use am I in question tag. Students, let's learn other rule of question tag. Example, let's sing a song. Shall we? Let's not go there. Shall we? The statement that begins with let's, L-E-T apostrophe S, let's, has always positive tag shall we. So, look at here. Both statement start with L-E-T-S apostrophe S, let's. So, we have to use shall we in question tag. Look at the another example of question tag. Let me have a book. Will you? Let us visit the temple. Will you? The statement that begins with let has always positive tag will you. Look at both statement. Both statement started with let, let. So we have to use will you in question tag. Student, today we have learned some basic rules of question tag. So, with the help of these rules, you can do various question tag. I have given here some example of question tag. Let's study them and generalize the rule. He is singing a song, isn't he? Did you hear the tiger? Didn't he? I'm all right, aren't I? Let me open the door. Will you? She can't stand it, can she? Let's do your homework, shall we? Homework. Students, I hope you will do it. Thank you.